Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a style in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And then click on the My Size and Style button. And as you can see, there are three style preferences that you can add. So just click on one that you want. And first, since it's about underwear, you can choose your preferred lining level, and just click on the choose coverage button, and then you can also choose coverage. So just click on that, and once you're ready, click on the save style button. And as you can see, there are a style already being saved for you. And you can just search for clothings according to that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.